What do you think of the trail?
It's our first time out, but it's looking pretty good, looking pretty promising, and hopefully we do some more this year.
What would you rate this trail on difficulty?
2.
Like it? Good views?
Good views, beautiful views. Everything's pretty close, red rocks right there. Good. Pretty good beginner trail.
Yeah, it is. It's real close to the city.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. I like that you don't have to be very far outside of the city to hit this one up.
Easy access.
I don't love that you can see freeways on both sides, but
and hear them.
But it also took very little effort to get here, so
yeah.
I'll take it.
Except the first 5 minutes, we were breathing a little heavier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little steep at the first part.
Start.
Yeah.
How would you guys rate the trail and difficulty overall?
For walking,
it's pretty easy.
yeah.
Pretty easy.
Yeah. Like a 3. Biking, that's a tough one.
Probably an 8?
Yeah.
8 or 9?
Yeah, it's up.
That's pretty difficult. Well, you guys have a good one?
Yeah.